Hello and welcome everyone. I'm incredibly excited because today we're embarking on a comprehensive journey about becoming an IT technician. IT technicians, essentially the backbone of any organization, ensuring seamless communication and problem-free computer. Let's learn how you can become one. Start with understanding the role, cause there's more to it than you expect. It's not just about fixing glitchy computers. It's about understanding intricate systems of software and hardware. Entering this field calls for a fusion of technical skills and soft skills. While deep-rooted knowledge in technology systems is a must, it's your problem-solving and communication skills that will make you stand out. But how do you start learning? Well, you could opt for formal education. Degrees in computer science are a common pathway, but don't underestimate the value of self-learning. Get your hands on every bit of learning. Online courses, books, internships, they all count. Remember, practical knowledge is as critical as theoretical. You learn IT by doing IT. Once you've gained the necessary knowledge, aim for IT certifications. They can serve as a validation of your skills. You'd be surprised what a profound impact they can have on your career trajectory. Remember, the tech world is ever-changing. Stay relevant. Stay updated. Becoming an IT technician can be a challenging but rewarding journey. Go for it and good luck.